Hey everybody, today we have TWIINS Smart Dual Rider Passenger. Comes with HF 2.0 and HF 3 device. With this, you should be able to listen to music, get directions from Google Maps, take calls, and also talk to your passenger via Bluetooth. We're gonna get these installed and we're gonna test it out. Let's check it out. Hey guys, here's a quick unboxing of what's inside. It's not much. With all my videos, I like to get straight to the point so I don't waste anybody's time. You're going to have the headset, USB charging cable, spare mic band, 2 comfort pads, and Velcro, which you're going to use to install inside the helmet. So the installation is pretty straightforward. It's not hard at all. I decided to put the mic on the left side of the helmet. Once you determine which side you want to put the mic on, just go ahead and remove the padding from your helmet. And then also you're going to notice there's the Velcro pieces. There's going to be a rough side and a smooth side. I decided to go ahead and put the smooth side inside the helmet and the rough side on the headset itself. Also, there's some foam pieces. Go ahead and take those off and put them onto the speakers. The glue on this, on the stickers and the Velcro, it's pretty sticky. It's not going anywhere. Once you route the wires through, go ahead and get the other side, apply the Velcro, and that's it. You're all set. Well guys, the installation, pretty simple. Here's a look at the finished product. Not too bad. Took me maybe a couple minutes, if that. I tried on the helmet, no pain, no discomfort. I have the mic exactly where I want it. I'm ready to go. Let's check it out. Now that we have the TWIINS headset installed, we're going to check the Bluetooth distance to see how far me and Katrina could walk away and still hear each other. Okay, so the company claims Bluetooth capability up to 50 feet. At 25 feet, as you can see here, no problem, loud and clear. 50 feet, which they claim, no problem, loud and clear. 75 feet, could still hear her via Bluetooth, loud and clear. I was able to hear her all the way up to 110 feet, and then it started getting distorted. Not bad at all. So TWIINS, good job with this one. Okay, so after installing everything, it's time to hit the road and check this system out. First things first, let's go over the cons and then let's go over the pros. First con I felt was the audio was louder in my right ear than my left. Another con was pressing the button on your mic can be a problem. Let's say if you have to make a phone call. If you don't have a modular helmet, it's going to be kind of hard getting your finger in there to press that button. Another thing, switching from Bluetooth, let's say if you want to talk to your partner or your passenger, and then switching over to your phone can be a pain because you have to turn the Bluetooth on your phone back on according to the instructions. Now, that's it for the cons. Let's go over the pros. First pro, 110 feet for Bluetooth communication is awesome. Second pro is it's loud at high speeds. As you can see here, I was going pretty fast in Mexico and had no problem listening to the music. It wasn't low at all. It was nice and loud. Third pro is the low price. I kept seeing this system all over Instagram and I decided to pull the trigger and go ahead and buy it. I was not disappointed. Another pro, it was super easy to install. Another pro is the phone call. Katrina gave me a phone call. It was super clear. I could hear her, she could hear me. She said there was no distortion, wind noise. She didn't even know I was on a motorcycle. So all in all, I think it's a good system, guys. TWIINS didn't sponsor or give me this comm unit. I bought it with my own money to try it out. And to be honest with you, I'm kind of surprised. I thought it was going to be horrible. The audio's good, besides it being only in my right ear, a little louder than my left. But besides that, for the price point, you can't beat it. I highly recommend purchasing this if you're looking for that $100 price range. All in all, good choice. Hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, leave a like, subscribe, and maybe a comment. What do you think about this system? Do you own it or are you thinking about owning it? If you have any questions, hit me up. And until then, I'll see you guys on the road.